So I just wanted to show what this is going to look like in person because it was a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I don't know what I was expecting, and it doesn't need to be any bigger than this. I'm completely happy with it and would definitely recommend it, but I wanted to show it to you so you can get an idea. You have to put the stickers on yourself. It comes with the stickers. I already put them on. It comes in 2 pieces. You just loosen the screws on here, and then you can fit these down in here and then tighten the screws so that it stays in place, and then you just drive this into the ground wherever you want to shoot. And this is made for a higher caliber gun, so it's 3/8 inch thick, and I believe it's 3.5 inches and 4.5 inches, the 2 targets on here. But it's really thick gauge, so you're going to be able to shoot it with a higher gauge round, and it's really heavy, so you're going to need that high gauge round to move it. Obviously you could use a lower gauge on this big target, but it's really not going to move it very much, and you might not be sure if you hit it. There is an audible sound when you hit these usually though, especially when you're using a high powered round. So this is what it's going to look like when you get it. I'm happy with it. My family uses these in our camp. We love them, and we would definitely recommend them.